Alright, I took all the doors off, all the hinges, all the rails, and I first washed it out with some degreaser. Then the next day I used some trisodium phosphate, degrease it even further. And next step is going to be a sand deglosser. I want to degloss all this this finish here. After I do that, I'm gonna go ahead and give it a quick sand. You know, I want to degloss this too. There's a little bit of gloss in here, but I want to give it a quick sand and allow the oil-based primer that I'm gonna use to bite into it. But yeah, these are pretty ugly. These are from 1990. I'm just gonna give them I'm not sure yet what color. I might just go gray, I'm not sure. I might go gray here, or maybe the same colors as flooring here. The only problem is, you know, I want to future-proof it. I'm not sure yet. But you won't see the grain, of course. I mean, you might. Well, of course not on here, but you might a little bit. No, I don't think you will, because I'm going to coat it and then with the primer and then give it a quick sand again. So I left this on here for about an hour and a half, and you can hear it now. It's very gritty. It's very. Let's see. You hear that? A lot louder. You can feel the texture in it. It's awesome. It works really good. Okay, so I did it a second time. I used the Easy Liquid Sand Deglosser a second time. And also there was a paper that was stuck to this area, so I sanded it off. And now I'm rinsing it down one more time. I just rinsed these. I'm gonna rinse this with the TSP solution. And let everything dry and then tape it off. Then I'll start priming. Got everything washed down, ready to prime. I'm just letting it dry, letting the surface dry. I'll tape everything off with the paper and then I'll get the priming.
But there was something else going on.
All right. I've had this finish on there for a few months now, and very, very durable. Looks good. Put some hardware on here, as you see. The inside of the cabinets I painted white, right? But the drawers I did not. It's just too much work. And you see inside here is white as well, but not the shelving. I didn't find it necessary.